Hi friends, this is a brief overview of SPSS program. SPSS stands for Statistical Package for Social Sciences and was developed by SPSS Corporation. This company was started in 1968 when Norman Nee, Del Bent and Hadley developed and started selling the SPSS software. It was acquired by IBM in 2009. The stable release of SPSS version 26 is in April 9, 2019. It can be run in computers using operating systems like Windows, Mac, and Linux. The platform in which it was developed is Java. It has trialware for 30 days as well as perpetual license. In other words, it is proprietary software. The statistical package for social sciences is a package of programs for manipulating, analyzing, and presenting data. The package is widely used in the social and behavioral sciences. The SPSS is now popular in almost all fields of data analysis, which requires decision making. The many features of SPSS are accessible via pull down menu or can be programmed with a proprietary 4GL command syntax language. The pull down menu interface also generates command syntax. This can be displayed in the output, although the default settings have to be changed to make the syntax visible to the user. Syntax can be pasted into syntax editor window using the paste button present in each menu. Additionally, a macro language can be used to write command language subroutines. A Python programmability extension can access the information in the data dictionary and dynamically build command syntax programs. SPSS can read and write from ASCII text files, data created in other statistics packages, spreadsheet and databases. The SPSS data is saved to a proprietary file format star.sav. SPSS output saved to a proprietary file format star.spv supporting pivot tables. The SPSS output can be exported to text or Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, PDF, Excel, and other formats. IBM SPSS is an integrated family of products that offers a rich set of capabilities for every stage of the analytical process. It chooses from a broad range of tools, tests, and techniques so you can quickly and confidently perform any type of analysis. In addition to the base module, it has 15 other modules which can be procured as per user's need. In our experience, the most important of these for statistical analysis are the SPSS advanced models and SPSS regression models as add-on modules. SPSS Corporation also distributes stand-alone programs that work with SPSS. Both client and server-based versions are available. In addition to the software which shares its name, SPSS Corporation sold a wide range of software for market research, survey research, and statistical analysis. These included AMOS for structural equation modeling, sample power for statistical power analysis, answer tree used for market segmentation, SPSS text analysis for surveys to code open-ended responses, Quantum for cross-tabulation, SPSS modeler for data mining and online surveys.